How to lose weight in 2023. What is the best way to lose weight in 2023? To lose weight in 2023, focus on eating a healthy, balanced diet and doing some light exercise. This means including a variety of foods in your diet, such as fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. It also means getting 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise or at least 75 minutes every week of a vigorous intensity exercise routine. Before starting any weight loss plan, it is important to consult with your doctor to determine if this is appropriate for your current health situation. How to lose weight fast and safely. If you want to lose weight fast, the most important thing is to focus on healthy, sustainable habits that will support your weight loss goals. This means eating a healthy, balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all the food groups, getting regular exercise, and managing stress. It's also important to drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and avoid unhealthy habits like crash dieting or excessive exercise. How to lose weight without dieting. The best way to lose fat without dieting is by using healthy foods to help your body burn fat. If you're not ready to give up your daily coffee, don't worry. There are a number of drinks and foods that will help you burn calories and fat so that the pounds start melting off. It is possible to lose weight without dieting, but it may require making some lifestyle changes. For example, you can increase your physical activity by taking up a new hobby or sport, or simply by incorporating more movement into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking to work instead of driving. You can also make changes to your eating habits, such as eating smaller portions, choosing healthier foods, and avoiding sugary or processed snacks. Making these changes can help you lose weight without feeling like you're depriving yourself of or following a strict diet. What are the best ways to lose weight? There are many ways to lose weight, and the type of plan that is best for you will depend on your individual lifestyle, preferences, and needs. There are many different types of plans out there, but it's important to identify your personal goals. The ultimate guide on how to lose weight. Losing weight is a common goal for many people, and there are many different ways to approach it. Some general strategies for losing weight include eating a healthy and balanced diet, increasing physical activity, and making lifestyle changes to support weight loss. Some specific things you can do to lose weight include eating plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Limiting your intake of sugary and high-fat foods. Staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Exercising regularly, including both cardio and strength training. Getting enough sleep and managing stress. Tracking your food intake and progress with a food diary or app. It's important to remember that everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's also important to talk to your doctor before starting any weight loss plan, especially if you have any health conditions or concerns. Your doctor can help you develop a plan that is safe and effective for you. Goodbye.